Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at Hurricane Erin. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and we're going to just do a little brief 5-minute video on this and talk about what will and will not happen. And let's go ahead and just jump right into it. And here we have Hurricane Erin. As of right now, it is a Category 3 hurricane. It developed into a hurricane yesterday morning, very quickly, or Friday morning, excuse me. Category 1, Category 4. It was briefly a Category 5. That was probably before reconnaissance actually went in to verify some of these wind speeds. And right now it is a Category 3 at about 125 miles an hour. Here we have the track. The spaghetti models here, and the large majority of them do take this off away from land back out to sea. So the consensus is no major landfall for the United States or anywhere else for that matter. There are a few outliers here, but few and far between, so there's pretty decent confidence that this will not make landfall in the United States or anywhere else. And this will be the official track from the National Hurricane Center. And like I said, it takes it off into out to sea as it moves on. So that's good news there. And we can go ahead and zoom in on that storm a little closer here. Moving pretty quickly, and we'll check the advisory on this for now. And we are as of 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Outer bands of Erin producing heavy rain and gusty winds across Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. And it is moving west-northwest at 13 miles an hour. That is the general motion expected today, followed by a turn to the north on Monday. On the forecast track, the core is expected to pass east of the Turks and Caicos Islands and southeastern Bahamas today and tonight. Sustained winds right now are 125 miles an hour, making it a Category 3 hurricane. There is some fluctuation in intensity, and there is likely some intensification over the next couple of days, but it is expected to remain a dangerous major hurricane through next week. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 25 miles from the center, and tropical storm winds extend up to 205 miles an hour. So yeah, absolutely beautiful storm, and what makes it even more beautiful is it's not going to make landfall. So that's that for Hurricane Erin, and then we will see what's going on in here in the Gulf, and a little bit of activity of convection here coming off the Florida coast, and some more over here in the panhandle area of Florida near Alabama and Louisiana. And they'll be watching this area of convection here for possible development, but the upper winds are not supportive right now for intensification of this area here. And then we have another area right here off the Carolina coast that bears watching. This could develop into a depression sometime this week, but is not expected to intensify to a tropical storm or hurricane before it makes landfall back on the coastal water or coastal area here. But it could bring heavy rainfall nonetheless to the east coast. And this is the remainder of I don't know what the name of this one was, but this hurricane here has been blown apart and sheared out. So there we go. Looking elsewhere otherwise, let's go over here, and a front sagging down into the Midwest, the northeast part of the state and north central part of the United States, bringing heavy storms and convection to this area. And we will check the see if we have anything going on here. Not seeing anything as far as any major issues. Maybe some moderate chance, or chance for some marginal storms here. A couple of severe storms, which there are a few severe storms here. Let me go ahead and take this off here and go to radar. Yeah, so areas of convection here moving across as this low pressure system lifts it back up into Canada. Probably some much needed rain in this area, not a lot of severe, maybe a little bit of wind with these storms. And then as this front travels further to the northeast here, we have storms developing along that frontal area there. And as I said before, convection off the Carolina coast. And a little bit of stuff here in Dallas. The Texas, Dallas-Fort Worth area. And other than that, we have high pressure dominating the southwest. Not even a lot of monsoonal things going on right now. And that's about it. And we'll go ahead and take a look at, let's do some temperatures here. Let's see. Let's look at the temperatures. So here we have our temperatures filling in here. Nothing too crazy. A little bit of cool air up here in the northeast, northwest, excuse me, and 90s for the southwest, hundreds, and as in the southeast we're in the 80s. So not much going on here as far as big weather systems anytime soon. So that's it. I just want to do another video here to keep things fresh on Facebook. It's been a while since I put anything on here, and I'll be doing a lot more this fall and winter on this page. So thank you guys for following, and I'll